All right, hey boys and girls, let's go for a ride on a motorized bicycle. Only thing you got to do to be able to go for a ride on your motorized bike is just drag it out of the garage, right? Wrong. Okay, now take a look at these pictures here. This is Mr. M. He posted on the Hughes Motorized Facebook page some words of wisdom and some warning. He was going to do a little test run on his newly installed PK80 to break it in, and a little screw came loose on the brake caliper. He was doing about 15 miles an hour, went into an intersection. Car doing about 30 miles an hour nailed him. Broke his hip, severely sprained ankle, ocular bleeding, concussion, and a whole bunch of bruises and the like. He's lucky to be alive. He wasn't wearing a helmet. I'm just begging you, when you drag the bike out of the garage or whatever, I recommend at least bicycle helmet. I mean, that's a little something, okay? Yeah, you're gonna look like a dork, but hey, if nothing else, with this fluorescent orange, people are more likely to see you. Possibly, you know, if Mr. M would have been wearing this, they might have seen him coming through and go, hey, this idiot kid's coming through, as opposed to this old idiot here, right? But if you're a true speed demon, get you a nice full-faced helmet. That's gonna help you. These things can save your life, okay? Another thing I'm gonna recommend is a motorcycle jacket. Get you a leather jacket. You'll look like the Fonzie. Some of you may not know who that was. It's some guy way back in the day. He jumped a shark. I don't know if he wore the leather jacket then or not. But look, these things here will save you from road rash. You got the high-vis yellow on it. This can save your butt, okay? Now, the half helmet, that's a lot better than nothing, okay? It'll save this thing from getting squished open. One other thing I'm gonna recommend, gloves. Sure, some of your buddies might laugh at you for wearing all this crap, but you know what? Picking rocks and stuff out of your skin and going to the hospital looking like this, wearing one of these things on your neck, it's not fun, okay? I'll put links down below if any of you are interested in this stuff here. You can check out the Hughes Motorized Facebook page, and there's going to be more videos coming. I promise I'm going to get busy doing some more videos for you. You'd like to see some new videos coming? Put some stuff down below. I'll see if I can hook you up. Thumbs up if you like what I'm doing here. You think it's going to help people. Subscribe. Take care.